Hello my friends. Welcome to Sheshan NB. Today I am going to show you how to download files in Clicksfly. First, go to a Clicksfly webpage. Now you can see a reCAPTCHA. Click on the box to solve it. When you click on it, a new tab will open. Now go back to the previous tab and click on reCAPTCHA. Now you can see it happening again. So do it again and again until you can solve the reCAPTCHA. After solving, click on the verify button. Now go down and click on the click here to continue button. As before, you can see that new tabs open. Repeat it until the main page reloading. Sometimes you will see a pop-up tab. Click the close button on the right top until the pop-up tab close. Now you can see a timer. Wait until it goes down to 0. After that, click on the Get Link button. Before doing that, I closed the other tab to clear the tutorial. A pop-up tab again. You know what to do now. So close it and come back to the main tab. Now you can see the reCAPTCHA box again, but it is a fake one. So don't click anywhere. You just click only on click here to get the link button. It's done. Your link is open in a new tab. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel for future content.